Today we are going to start with a brand new chapter in physics that is about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy that affects our eyes and produces the sensation of vision. So light is a form of energy which gives us the sensation of vision. Okay, like that we have sound, okay, and sound energy. So when we think about light, how do we see things around us? See, light from the sun or any other source falls on any object. And when it reflects back, when the light bounces back, it falls on our eyes and we are able to see things around us. Okay, so you should know the definition of light. Now, we will come to a topic called rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, so when you hear the word linear, remember that it is related to a line. So rectilinear propagation of light, that means light, it moves in a straight path. Okay, let us just understand this. It is our common experience that if we close all windows and doors of our room to make it completely dark, okay, and then look at the light entering into the room through a narrow opening. If there is a small hole or a small opening somewhere, so you know that the light starts entering into that room through this hole. So when we look at this, you can see here in the picture it is shown that how the light is coming. See, the light is coming from this hole and it's coming in straight lines. So you can see the straight. So these are the dust particles and we see the dust particles all in the straight line. Okay. So this tells us that light travels in straight lines. Okay. From the source, it comes out in the form of straight lines. Motion of light in a straight line path is called rectilinear propagation of light. So this is about rectilinear propagation of light. What is rectilinear propagation of light? The movement of light in a straight line path. That is called the rectilinear propagation of light. How can we explain this phenomenon? We have some activities to tell you about this. So what is the activity? Place a lighted candle on a table. Okay, so you have to light the candle just like as it's shown here. Take a drinking straw and you close one eye. Okay, this eye has to be closed and you look through the straw with other eye. You have to look through. So the flame is clearly visible. So you can see the light and you can see the flame of this candle because the light can enter through this. Okay. But now what you do? Now bend the straw. You have to bend the straw and now you try to see. So this light travels in the straight line but it cannot go straight. Okay. So it stops here. It will not bend. It will not bend. Okay. So this shows that light travels in a straight line. So here we will not be able to see the flame. So this is a very simple experiment. Buy a small plastic straw and try to do this experiment at home. So this, what is the conclusion of this? The conclusion is light travels in a straight line path. Okay. Take 3 square cardboards. Take a pin and make a small hole in each cardboard at the same height. So we have to make some holes in the cardboard, only one hole in each cardboard, but all the holes should be at the same height. So place the cardboard in such a way that all the holes are in a straight line. Okay. So we have to keep it like this. See, all the holes, they are in the straight line. So what will happen? You are trying to see the flame here. So what is our observation? Let us see. Place a lighted candle near one of the cardboards. Look at the cardboard from the other side. The candle flame is clearly visible. So just like the straw, see here light travels in the straight line. So you will be able to see the flame. Flame is clearly visible. Now what we have to do? Now slightly displace one of the cardboard. That is, you move the center cardboard, no? You move it to either to the right or left so that the holes are not in a straight line. So now what will happen? The flame of the candle is not visible now. So if you just move one hole little bit away, suppose the hole comes in this side, then light cannot bend and go. Light does not bend and go like this. So you cannot see the light. So what does this experiment also show? This experiment shows us that light travels in a straight line. Okay, so what is our conclusion? Light travels in a straight. I should tell you about the speed of light. What is the speed of light? It is, you see, you need 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore. So it is 30 crore meter per second. So speed of light is 30 crore meter per second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 zeros. So we see 8 zeros are there. So we have to say 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So in air, light travels how many meters in 1 second? How many meters will it travel? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You see, when you have competitions, we have athletics competition. When you have to run a race, usually how much you run? 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, isn't it? And look at this. How many meters? 3 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8 means you have to put how many zeros? 8 zeros. Okay. So that is the speed of light. So this is about the first part of this chapter. I have taken only those portions which are included in your reduced syllabus for this year. Okay. So in this chapter you have to start from rectilinear propagation of light.